Hi guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're a seasoned subscriber and a member of the 2102 crew. We have a review today. This is the Dior Visor that the Kardashians and other such celebrities have been wearing and posing in their bikini shots and giving us a little back action, little pop the back, arch the back, visor shot. Before I get into this review, please go ahead and subscribe if you're not already a member of the 2102 crew. We're very cute, you'll love us, we're funny, we're like very relaxed, very chic. You'll love it. Go ahead, click the red button, click on the notification bell so that you get notifications so you know when I post, because why would you subscribe and then not want to know? Just click it. Don't just click it. Cool. Let me tell you all about this. So, it came in this box. It is all black. It is a box. It says Dior in this lettering. Inside the box, it gets a bit more exciting. So, inside the box it came with this thing that basically says that it's real, bitches, and it has a little cleaning cloth in yellow. How chic. A card of authenticity, and oh, DIORCLUB1. What is this? I never look at these things. Ooh. The DIORCLUB1 visor of the Dior Summer 18 fashion show. Ooh, it's a fashion show piece. Chic. Has been crafted thanks to the savoir-faire. I have the savoir-faire. I'm the reason everybody here. I say, get up! Insert section of 50 Cent song so that you don't think I'm crazy.
I have the savoir-faire, I'm the reason everybody here. I say get up!
So, has been crafted thanks to the savoir-faire of our best artisans. It offers a shield against UVA and UVB, but it does not have the functionality of a pair of sunglasses, and it should not be worn in front of the eyes. Let's have a look. And it also says this in a range of other languages I do not know or understand. Let's go. Okay, so that comes in this, very cute. This is going to be linked below. It's available to buy online at the Dior shop. Online at Dior. And I'm sure other places have it. I'll link it below to make your life easy. So, I got the yellow visor. Ta-da! Okay, ooh, it also came in a dust bag. Annoyingly, with the dust bag, this thing doesn't really work that well. But anyway, that's not the reason we buy it. Okay, so I got the yellow visor. It is just basically a yellow sheet of acrylic with the UA, UVB, whatever. And it has a foam padding against the forehead there. It says Dior across the top, and across the back it says Christian Dior. Because when we buy designer things, we need everybody to know it's designer so we can justify the money we spend. Okay, so, yes, it says Dior across the back. It is adjustable for those of you with all head shapes and sizes. Basically, I thought this was all going to be fun and games. I thought this was going to be so easy to just pop on and off we go. Not. I have curly hair, which makes this whole situation a little bit more difficult. So basically, this is what happens if I just put it on. I'm being very honest here with you. Don't I look mental? Because it squashes. See? It makes me look, it just squashes this bit and then it's all that. And it just looks like... If you have straight hair, this would look super cute, just like popped on the top. Hair looking chic and straight, loving life, very cute. So what I do is, hair bubble, I would have to do a high pony action. Let's make sure I've got all the hair in. Okay. So here I am, high ponying it up. I do love a high pony. If my hair's not down, it's in a high pony. Okay. There we go. Cute? Okay. So I do that and then I visor it up. This is how I do it. I do it with a high pony action. It casts, because it's yellow, it does cast a yellow glow across the eyes in pictures. It looks very cute, let me tell you. It's comfy, again, because you can just tighten it up or whatever as you wish. The only thing that annoys me, but this is going to happen with visors, with caps, this is just a personal thing, is that this thing touching my forehead at the front starts to piss me off after a while. So Yeah, I take her off, I put her on, we have breaks. We have like an on again, off again relationship, but she's very chic, so it's mainly on. Yeah, I love it though. It's super easy to wear. It goes with everything. The yellow colour, I'm very here for. It comes in blue, black. They've just come out with new colours, which is like an iridescent moment. I think they have a silver, they have like a pinky red as well. So, but I went for the yellow because, I don't know, I like yellow, it's cute. I have no real reason. Yeah, so here we go. I don't really know what else to say about it. It's comfy, it's cute, it's a cute little summer accessory. Again, imagine bikini moment, popping the back on the beach, looking over the shoulder. Cute. With a t-shirt. This is the thing. When you have accessories that like pop like this, right? You can have a super simple outfit. We could just do a white t-shirt and denim shorts, white t-shirt and jeans, whatever. Pop her on, all of a sudden, outfit elevated. Trust me. One of those items that you can bring out every summer. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a like if you did, leave me a comment down below. Would you wear this? Are you into visors? Are visors a thing? If you didn't listen to me at the beginning of this video, I'm going to need you to listen to me now. You're going to need to subscribe. Subscribe, you're going to love it. It's going to be a great decision. You're not going to regret it. Just do it. Just do it. Just click the red button, click the notification bell. You're going to love it. And guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.